guys, welcome and/or welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another wig install from Luvmehair. I am absolutely here for this texture. This is like nice, thick, gorgeous, my hair. You know what I mean? Like, I am here for it. I hope you guys enjoy this super quick and easy wig install. No baby hairs. Yeah, I love it. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's just hop straight into this video.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
Okay, so we're back with another Luvmehair wig install. I am really excited about this wig. All the wigs that I have been getting from Luvmehair have been exceeding my expectations. Like giving all the bombness in the world. I wasn't going to glue it on, but now we're here, so why not? I'm gonna wipe this on real quick and then we'll be right back. As always, we have to wait for this to turn clear. This is gonna be my last wig install for 2022. Don't know what I'm gonna do, but I absolutely love the texture of the hair. I actually washed it and blow dried it a few days ago. So if you're wondering, it's been a few days. So once everything turns white and tacky, that's when we're going to put it down. We should wait a little longer, but I'm kind of in a rush. All right, let's put it on. Put it all the way on your face. All right, it looks really good. This side just needs to, you know, we just need to bring this side down. So everything is good and where I want it on my face. So before I do anything, I'm just going to put on an elastic. Okay, so while we wait, I just want to show you guys the parting space that this hair has to offer, because they do give you a lot of part, as you guys can see. I absolutely love this hair. Let's check out the side parting. You got a bunch of side parting space, because you know sometimes these wig companies don't be giving you all the parting that you need. So they do give you a ton of parting space. Yeah, it's super long, definitely very pretty. So now we're gonna just style the hair while we wait. So I cut the lace off my head and this is what it's looking like. I'm just going with this little spray and touch up my edges, but there are still areas that are kind of lifting. So we're just gonna go on with this little spray. Then our elastic. I'm gonna just keep this up and I'll be back. All over hold. Ooh, it's giving I'm not doing baby hairs. Okay, so now we're just going to, I know, brush out our big curls so we can just have nice, beautiful, hold on hair. And just briefly. Then a few pieces I want to reshape. It's giving sexy. This is how the hair looks. I absolutely adore it. I just framed up the face of it and I did not add any baby hairs. The hair is giving, maybe she's born with it, maybe it's hers, you know what I mean? I love the textured hair. If you guys are just looking for beautiful textured hair that mimics our own, then you guys would absolutely love this. I didn't straighten it, but imagine straightening it, then curling it. It's gonna give you a beautiful texture as well. I'm hoping that these curls last me all day because I am honestly here for this look. Like I said, Luvmehair does it for me every single time. Like, I love it. Gorgeous. Okay, yeah, bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV, I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.